Hello everyone, myself Archana Randive, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to study about data logger. Data logger is an electronic instrument which is used to record physical parameters like air temperature, humidity, pressure, soil moisture, rainfall, etc. at set intervals over a period of time. Basically, it is a compact and battery-powered device which is equipped with an internal microprocessor, data storage, and one or more sensors. They can be deployed indoors, outdoors, or underwater also, and they can record data for up to months. It can be a standalone device which can continuously measure and log the data without connection to a PC, or it can be a PC-based system. Now, why to use data logger or for whom it will be more helpful? Data loggers are valuable for anyone who wants to continuously monitor the conditions, continuously monitor the data without having or without actually being present at the site. It can be used by environmental consultants, building managers, energy auditors, research scientists, and many more professionals. Some of the applications of data logger are: it can be used in unattended recording at weather stations to record the parameters like temperature, wind speed or wind direction, solar radiation, and relative humidity. It can also be used for hydrographic recording of water flow, water pH, water conductivity, water level, and water depth. In the recording of soil moisture levels also it will be helpful. It can also record gas pressure and monitor the tank levels. The advantages of data logging system or data loggers are: it can be data logging can be done in remote or dangerous situations. It can be carried out 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year. Time intervals for collecting data can be very frequent and regular. For example, hundreds of measurements per second can be done. No need to have a person present actually at the situation. The data collected by data logger are more accurate as there is no human intervention. Like advantages, there are some disadvantages of this data logging system or data logging equipment. If this equipment breaks down or malfunctions, some data could be lost or it may not be recorded. Equipment can be expensive for small tasks. The equipment will only take readings at the logging interval which has been set up. If something unexpected happens between recordings, the data will not be recorded or data will not be collected. Data loggers typically have slower sample rates than data acquisition systems.